Hello, I'm Dr. T.J. O'Neill with HD Clean LLC Dialysis. Around 100,000 Americans receive chronic kidney replacement treatments 3 times a week, and another 20,000 to 30,000 receive inpatient acute treatments annually. Treatments are given in dialysis clinics, crowded, chaotic intensive care units, at home with family and pets around, in nursing rehabilitation settings, or in military transport aircraft returning injured service members to stateside. And kidney replacement therapy, whether intermittent hemodialysis or continuous methods, is risky enough without bloodstream infections and bleeding from unintentional bloodline disconnections, costing millions of dollars each year to treat. Current mitigation procedures like sticky tape and gauze and the existing devices to protect the vital bloodline to catheter connection points are inadequate. They're labeled for proprietary line use only address one or the other of the two issues, or they're complex and expensive and only detect events after they've happened. HD Clean LLC, a service-disabled, veteran-owned small business, has the solution. It's a sturdy, simple, fully patented polymer bivalve that snaps reversibly over the connection points, both securing and protecting them from contamination or accidental disconnection. 2 variants fit the lines made by all 5 major dialysis machine manufacturers, and they only cost pennies each to mass produce. What makes this solution different is simplicity, and the fact that it addresses both hub contamination and risk of accidental disconnection. HD Clean seeks to license the device to an entity with manufacturing, packaging, and distribution capability. With 100,000 patients in the U.S. on treatments 3 times a week and thousands undergoing acute treatments annually, demand could run upwards of 15 million device sets, and competitive pricing could yield sales of $40 million to $60 million each year. As the founder of HD Clean LLC, with over 30 years of hands-on experience in kidney replacement therapy, I've teamed with over 20 experts in polymer injection technology, prototype development, intellectual property protection, business development, and FDA regulatory issues. I've successfully won a DoD-sponsored Phase 1 SBIR contract. This is the workable solution to ongoing problems that are causing both great expense and great misery. I would like to work with you on bringing this unique solution to market. Thank you.